The Slayton family never fails to deliver drama, and this time it's Amy Slayton who's once again caught in the middle of the storm. Fans of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters were left stunned and deeply concerned after a recent public sighting and TikTok video in which Amy's sparkling engagement ring was nowhere to be seen. For someone who had only recently gotten engaged to Brian, the noticeable absence of the ring has raised serious red flags. Is Amy facing relationship trouble with Brian behind the scenes? Or is there something deeper going on with her personal life that she hasn't shared publicly? Social media is ablaze with speculation, and insiders close to the Slayton family are adding fuel to the fire with hints that things may not be as rosy as they once seemed. This surprising development has led many fans to question if Amy's whirlwind engagement might already be in jeopardy. Amy's love life has always been a hot topic. Ever since her split from ex-husband Michael Halterman, viewers have followed her emotional rollercoaster with both worry and hope. When she introduced Brian to her followers, many believed she had found a more caring and understanding partner. The two seemed happy, and Amy often gushed about Brian's patience, kindness, and how great he was with her kids. Their engagement came as a surprise, but it felt like the new chapter Amy had been searching for. However, the happiness that once radiated from Amy's social media posts has seemingly taken a backseat in recent weeks. Observant fans were quick to point out that Amy had not only stopped sharing pictures with Brian but was also noticeably not wearing her engagement ring. The ring, once flaunted proudly, has vanished without any explanation. Naturally, the subtle but significant detail sent shockwaves through the fanbase. Could this be a sign that things are falling apart between the couple? Could Amy be second-guessing her decision to get married again so soon after her divorce? The timing of everything seems suspicious. Insiders suggest that the couple has been dealing with deeply personal issues and have allegedly been taking time apart. Though Amy has not officially commented on the rumors, sources close to her say she has been emotionally drained and is trying to focus on her sons, Gage and Glenn. One source added, Amy loves Brian, but she is also realizing that rushing into another commitment might not have been the healthiest decision for her. It's important to consider that Amy has been through an enormous amount of change in the past year. From navigating single motherhood to dealing with public criticism over her parenting and appearance, the pressure has been immense. Even though Brian initially appeared to be a calming presence, the stress of maintaining a blended family, filming a reality show, and rebuilding her life may have introduced cracks into the foundation of their relationship. The missing ring could be symbolic, a quiet signal that Amy is reevaluating where she stands, not just with Brian but within her own journey. Adding another layer of mystery is the fact that Brian has been completely silent on social media. He hasn't posted any photos with Amy recently, nor has he commented on the speculation. For a couple who previously didn't shy away from showing off their love online, the sudden silence is deafening. This lack of clarity is only fueling more rumors, and fans are becoming increasingly vocal. Demon D. NG answers. Where's the ring? Where's Brian? What's happening with Amy? One follower commented under a recent post. Some fans believe this could all be a misunderstanding, perhaps even a publicity stunt ahead of the new season. But others are convinced something serious is brewing behind the scenes. TLC has yet to release an official statement or teaser that addresses Amy's current relationship status, but sources affiliated with the show tease that major emotional developments will be shown in upcoming episodes. That strongly suggests that viewer will get a front row seat to whatever is unfolding between Amy and Brian, including all the heartbreak and hope that may come with it. Whether the missing engagement ring is just a temporary thing or a sign of a much bigger issue remains to be seen. What complicates matters further is Amy's ongoing emotional struggles. Mental health has been a huge theme throughout her journey on 1000 LB Sisters, and she's admitted in the past to battling depression and anxiety, especially after her split from Michael. Her supporters fear that she may be relapsing emotionally, trying to hold everything together while the weight of motherhood, public scrutiny, and relationship pressure bears down on her. If her engagement with Brian is truly in trouble, it wouldn't be surprising if Amy needed some space to heal and figure things out. Her emotional well-being must come first, even if it means stepping back from a romantic commitment. Family dynamics may also be playing a part in the story. Tammy, Amy's sister, has been known to have strong opinions about Amy's life choices, and there have been whispers that she may not have fully approved of Amy jumping into a relationship with Brian so soon. Some believe Tammy's disapproval created distance between the sisters once again. Others believe that Amy feels pressure to prove that she is moved on and happy, even if she is unsure of what she really wants. That pressure, compounded with public expectations, can be incredibly damaging. Fans are now waiting with bated breath to see what happens next. Will Amy address the missing ring directly? Will Brian break his silence? Or will viewers have to wait for the next season of 1000 LB Sisters to finally learn the truth? For now, speculation continues to mount, and theories range from a simple disagreement to a full-blown breakup. One thing is certain, Amy is once again at the center of the drama, and this time, the stakes are deeply personal. Whatever the truth may be, Amy's supporters are rallying around her. Many have taken to social media to send her love, reminding her that she doesn't need to explain everything in that. Prioritizing her mental health and children is what truly matters. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Just take care of yourself, one fan commented. Others are more skeptical, pointing out that the timing of this controversy aligns suspiciously well with filming schedules and promotional pushes for the show. Could the missing ring be a calculated part of the storyline? Or is it a genuine signal of heartbreak? Until Amy chooses to speak out or show the ring again, all fans can do is speculate. But knowing how unpredictable the Slayton sisters' lives can be, anything is possible. Amy has proven time and again that she is a fighter, someone who doesn't give up even when the odds are against her. Whether she decides to move forward with Brian, take a break, or walk away entirely, one thing is clear, she will do what she believes is best for her and her boys. The absence of a ring may seem like a small detail, but in the world of 1000 LB Sisters, even the smallest clues can signal massive shifts. The story is still unfolding, and while Amy remains silent for now, fans are watching closely. This is one mystery that no one saw coming, and its resolution could change everything about how viewers see Amy's next chapter. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.